Hello, my dear student in Dawhat Al-Ma'rifa Private School, Grade 4. Today, our lesson story. The name of this story, The Lost Boy. The Lost Boy. Let's revise some vowels. Long I. Let's see how to pronounce it. I. I. For example, lie. Lie, like, nigh, key here is silent, knife, sigh, sight, sight. Let's put them in sentences. Number 1, I like carrots. I like carrots. I cut vegetables with a knife. I cut vegetables with a knife. There are many sites in the internet. There are many sites in the internet. I, when you see IGH, it's pronounced I. For example, light, fight, high. Let's put them in sentence. We get light from the lamp. We get light from the lamp. Number 2, fight. Don't fight with your friends. Don't fight with your friends. High. Look at here. The mountain is high. This mountain is high. Let's start our new lesson by showing you the new vocabulary. Number 1, bird. This is a bird. Laugh. As we know, GH in the end of the word, it's pronounced laugh. They are laughing. Funny. It's funny. Okay, let's move. I am lost. After police. Station. This is the place where the policemen work. Police station. Parents. Dad and mom are my parents. I am worried. Tomorrow will be a test. I'm worried. The elements of the story. Number 1, the characters. What are the characters for this story? Number 1, Dennis, Mark, they are friends, the lost boy, and Fluffy. The lost boy is called Tom. Fluffy, this is the name of the rabbit. Let's see the setting for this story. The place is the park. Time in the afternoon. Let's focus on some long vowels to read our part of this story. Number 1, let's see some words that include magic E. For example, home, whose, name, and soft th. Soft th is pronounced th. For example, nothing, thing. thing. Hard th is pronounced the. For example, this, this, that, that, there, there, then. Let's read our part. Okay, let's read it slowly, then we have to read it fast. Okay, what? Each here is silent. What's that noise, Dennis? What's that noise, Dennis? Asks Mark. It's nothing. It's nothing. Silly. Maybe a bird, maybe a bird or a cat. Maybe a bird or a cat. Let's get our things. Let's get get our things and go home and go home, says says Dennis. Yes, okay, yes, okay, says Mark. Then whose is that? Whose is that? There are a name on it. There is a name on it. Fluffy, Fluffy. Ha, ha. That's a funny name. Laughs Mark. Let's read it again. What is that noise, Dennis? Asks Mark. It's a nothing. Silly. Maybe a bird or a cat. Let's get our things and go home, says Dennis. Yes, okay, says Mark. Then whose is it? There is a name on it. Fluffy. Ha ha. That's a funny name, laughs Mark. Now it's time to check your understand. Answer these questions. Answer these questions. Question number 1. What did Dennis and Mark hear? What did Dennis and Mark hear? They heard a noise. A noise. They heard a noise. Question number 2. What did they think? What did they think? They thought this noise maybe a cat or a bird. It was maybe a cat or a bird. The last question, what was the name which was on the thing? What was the name which was on the thing? It was Fluffy, the funny name. It was Fluffy. Thank you, grade 4. The moral here, you have to help others. We have to help others. Our homework, number 1, read this part well. 2, copy the answers in your notebook. The answer for the question showed that we showed before, you have to copy the answer in your notebook. Thank you, grade 4.